Otter AI versus Sonix usage experience. Welcome to my comparison of Otter AI versus Sonix. Links to both platforms are available in the description for you to explore further. In this video, I'll break down their features, intended users, and key differences to help you decide which transcription tool suits your needs best. Otter AI is a real-time transcription platform designed for individuals, teams, and students who need accurate and collaborative transcription services. It offers features like speaker identification, keyword highlighting, and live transcription for meetings, interviews, and lectures. With seamless integrations for Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, Otter AI is particularly useful for remote work and education. It has a free plan with 300 minutes of transcription per month, while its premium plans provide advanced features like importing audio or video files, exporting transcripts in multiple formats, and boosting usage limits. Otter is user-friendly and ideal for everyday transcription tasks and collaboration. Sonix, on the other hand, is a powerful transcription tool geared toward professionals such as content creators, journalists, and businesses with advanced transcription needs. It supports over 40 languages, includes automatic translations, and features a robust audio-text editor for precise corrections. Sonix also excels in file management, offering detailed organization tools like custom folders and tags. It allows users to export files in a variety of formats, including subtitles for video content. Sonix is priced on a pay-as-you-go basis or with monthly plans, which can be cost-effective for infrequent users but slightly pricier for regular transcription needs. The primary distinction between Otter AI and Sonix lies in their focus. Otter AI is better for live transcription, affordability, and team collaboration, making it great for everyday users. Sonix is more suitable for professionals managing multilingual, large-scale projects who require precise editing and organizational tools. Your choice depends on your specific requirements. If you need a budget-friendly option for live transcription and team collaboration, Otter AI is an excellent choice. However, if you prioritize multilingual support, advanced editing, and exporting options, Sonix may be the better fit. Check out the links in the description to learn more and find the tool that works best for you.